Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how you can sign out your Apple ID. So for that, go to settings. From here, go to your Apple ID account and scroll down and you will see sign out option. So you just simply tap that button and your account is signed out. So this is how you can sign out your Apple ID, just by tapping sign out and type your password here and your account will be turned off. So this is how you can sign out your Apple ID easily. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.